It has been a hard fall for the Houston Texans, who after getting blown out by the Miami Dolphins on Sunday dropped to dead last on this list. Their quarterback situation is a mess. Houston is 2-5, and the loss of running back Arian Foster, who tore his Achilles, makes matters even worse. There's nothing quite like a coaching change to build a short-term spark for your team. And under interim Dan Campbell, the Miami Dolphins have won 2 in a row and look much better than they did under previous coach Joe Philbin. But it may be time to pump the brakes on the Dolphins bandwagon, as both of their victories have come against the Titans and the Texans, 2 of the weaker opponents in the NFL. The real test comes Thursday night on the road against the Patriots. One team to watch is the St. Louis Rams, who, with the emergence of rookie running back Todd Gurley, finally have a dynamic threat to accompany a fierce defense. The Rams are 3-3 and in second place in the NFC West. St. Louis will need to beat division opponents to stay in the hunt, but the key moving forward is for the team to avoid the letdowns, like Week 2's loss against the Redskins, from ruining its season. Up next, the Rams have the 2-5 49ers, so it's safe to expect their climb to continue. Another week and no change. The New England Patriots continue to hold on to the top spot on this list after jumping to a 6-0 record with a huge victory Sunday against the New York Jets. With quarterback Tom Brady playing at this level, using his quick release passes to mask the deficiencies on a young offensive line, the Pats look unstoppable, and they'll stay on top until someone can finally knock them down.